WeruTV ni bwega sana tubakethira gwatanite na atu kaiteneka. Thank you so much aizeni WeruTV rumuri rwa Meru na kaiteneka ni urakuri. Na urakuri kaiteneka ni ati ndene account ya Meru siasa no citithira mbere kwithira ikiwa ta mwanki na muthenya yoro oringi Senator Kiraitu Murungi na araugira ati Gavana Peter Munya ni wa team NASA kana ni wa NASA na kumakani onto kutweka ati Raila Odinga ni akao kumwendos na woni kwariria mantu ya ni musiasa ndene account ya Meru hizi na eta bwana Kaimenyi Kinoti. Karibu sana.
Thank you bwana Mati.
Nibega sana tupokona kanya kuja kwa na Mati. Now oringi Raila na izire Meru na kuwa ati ni wako wa Tambaru kana kuinsinuate ati ni akaba kwa wa Tambaru Governor wa Meru Peter Munya. What's happening?
Okay Martin, kuringana na oni statement iwe Kiraitu misplaced.
Yeah.
Ni untu wa mbere Kiraitu in fact teka araugire Munya ni wa NASA, araugire PNU ni NASA igoro.
Yeah.
Na Raila kuja Meru atende usire PNU.
Yeah.
Augire the election ya Peter Munya.
Yeah.
At the same time akiwa mantu jari election ya Peter Munya, popo ngwaja NASA bena aspirant akwenda giti kia governor ndene Meru ule arungi na giti na kiama kia Wiper. So statement ya kuga Munya ni NASA na wewe ngwatira raungama auga ati na go support Raila Odinga is misplaced. But
Wiper actually ni ANC.
Yeah. Kuri warungi na NASA ndene ya Meru. I think kinyaraira wengwa kati serious enough nto kethali serious enough abatere kuthwa kendo saura arungi na kiama kiawe.
Yeah, the lady Winnie Kaburu.
Yes.
Winnie Kaburu aromi na ANC na iwada nitu onto ati umwento uswe.
And you see siasa no calculations cia siasa no chithithwe ni signed. Raila no ithuru nya influence to iba ubanje kuja kwendo Munya kenderwa no NASA. Yes, it can happen like that. Munya kethurwa Raila kethurwa eri weja make sure that ukugweta Munya ki statement chiaku kena to make sure that tukuga Munya no anasa kama Munya wewe ngwate kurunga mauga no nasa Munya remainite intact ati ojora kya maga PNU kya runga mena kya uga kire support Uhuru Kenyatta kinya wengo no wago support.
But then when I came in, you know, 1 + 1 = 2.
Yes.
Na kiri occasions nyingi Munya naonekana ita criticize wa the thirikari ya Jubilee na at the same time aruwa na kwa Tambaru mutongeri wa Nthiguru Uhuru Kenyatta kwithirwa akithurwa ringi and then jire ingi na kurona Ruto how does it
but you see Temunya yake kurwana Temunya yake go criticize thirikari na teka kwira go criticize thirikari at directly Munya on several occasions kauga aki nteto iria twerene na thirikari atuthithiria turingie na kuona most of them tiambiritwe kenda inya tuiba ikyangugi twithura twishua pagichoka the second term gugira chitigarite chikathira. But you see still the last week governor Alfred Mutua wa Machakos ora ena kiama kia maendeleo chapchap kinya wengwa na ugire popo kauga Uhuru Kenyatta bago support. It is not that they are supporting Jubilee, are support Uhuru Kenyatta. Na uga categorically only president go support is not any other person in Jubilee party. So that one tells us kinya wewe ngwa na mtu mwa kiura go support ndene ya Jubilee who is the president of Kenya. Na according to myself president wa Kenya nwe most important. You see na Munya still na state nyawe ngwa uga ateri inyethera we na go support president bena thinana number 2 and it is possible nuntu PNU Munya na kwenda kuja kutumira PNU 2022 acho agete kia president ya Kenya deputy president William Ruto kinyawe ngona kwenda kuja kuchwagetea president 2022 of course batumba kwa iriano nuntu po bairio mtu na kuthuganya ora akathirio ore ongi kena 2022 ethirwa Aaron Ranger KRCJ so it is possible that kwethirwa Munya atiko support mtu ngeke Jubilee support yake president Uhuru Kenyatta na still you see PNU ginya kethani go support Uhuru Kenyatta kuthurwa dajairi ari president teka kuro kwina coalition between PNU and Jubilee wote coalition yereo it is only that pautu PNU ne kuigwa kurungamana na Uhuru na ngugira kurita na ngugira ku promise Meru ko balitira na number 2 you see siasa always ituga siasa is about perception na no monka nyatu ngo kwenda perception area ya kwithirwa itu kwa free na kiama sorry na mtu formidable kinyayo ngwa ithirwa ereo so te makosa kwithirwa Munya age support Uhuru wenka iraitiewe
but then well atu support deputy president na ndo baba Roma baremwe me I think well ntimnye urampo meta but ntikuona sense in that
you see inyakire nasa mtuja this Isaac Ruto akeja kuja atueka principal number 5 kenasa nejira na uka categorically oni ndi ajo ino ndobijete ku support Raila Odinga atijite ku support election between Raila and Kalonzo yajite ku support Raila Odinga you president is most important
but then kile what does it make sense
koja kuza atu support
atu support Ruto na now support president na baba Roma ba ikintu kimwe how does it even work
yes because you see Martin for example kwa example ajuju kwa Weru kwa gatuika ambuge CEO wa Weru is a friend of mine na mbuga ugo tutekwerana na ugwe untubu kwithira una ugo tutekwerana bwandigiria kuja ki WeruTV na CEO imuchore kwa
I don't think it's the same thing.
It is almost the same thing. You see, Uhuru Kenyatta is the CEO of Kenya, is the president of Kenya, is the CEO of our government. William Ruto is deputy president, but according to myself, when it comes to politics, is just any other person. So Munya no affiliate na Uhuru at the same time, but kuigana na Ruto. Tema kosa jari au.
Mutegerero aranira batu kirukira 40321 ni namba yetu ya SMS kaitene kato kiariri siasa cia Meru na Kinoti Kaimenyi kana Kaimenyi Kinoti yote. So Kaimenyi, what do you think kile siasa cia Meru kaitene especially ile ku involve youth to sometimes youth ni chokana kacho tumiro bobo.
It is true. A youth ipo tumiro bobo imono but kuri ntuko ngenda akiri mono gutegera kethro ukamaka youth bagutumirwa kana baguitumira bobo according to me a youth abaguitumira bobo no ntugote mu siasa kinyo mwendera igwa rungamite auga ba ubwindi ni bo tabundwirire ndi ni bo tabujukie this and that buthithie kana bo vandalize marataji abangi uraja kuthithwa most of the youths makosa jara bakuthithia kaba kwenda guchionania muno bakwenda guchiaka kire siasa which is very wrong muyuthi na kwenda kuoni musiasa ore oge inkugo support at the end of the day akimuonia ageta kuthuka nje mantu jara bara bangi bakuthithia ku disrupt mechema ni bangi you see sometimes ideas imwe muno ideas chitiumananya na atongeria bobongwa but their supporters ila kimero kiongo ikiuga mwene kiatho atena thina na nithi ni mukeki antu baba bakubanga ni mechema ni antu most of the times are the problem ibo bakwenda guchiona ni muno uraba ku supportingania at the end of the day bakithuka ya siasa jabra bangi and it should be stated uranje rukaiseri ugire the other day mturia akagwatika na akithukia mantu jabra bangi ura youth bakuthithia nga ku disrupt mechemanio siju kutharia marataji bangi gweta bakiruma na on social media these things should cease
na kuweta mantu yanka iseri na darika na nibo kuwa Raila Odinga na batiko watu na actually ni chote to ile kadeti ya the Standard na Kenya kadeti ya the Star kadeti ya the Standard kadeti ya Daily Nation rukirona rua ati arrest threats just hot air Raila retorts ni Raila kuwa ati tebu mbombethia botengwata kumane na mearira atire so na tutiro na so far Kenya kiandika Kenya statement
me kapa kwenda gutwa area bakamugwata no tukethirwa wi serious bakamugwata te kapa batere kumara kimedia bakiuga tukamugwata babatere gweta beta bakamugwata akarigithwa statement ru tukambire gwariria issue
ko atera to Kenya ni CID kwandikithia statement anybody atera chunkuno Kenya ni no ni NCIC
so up to now this one is not an official statement
so
it's just any other politics but it is true statement ile Raila according to myself thirikari ne batere ko mejukieri serious you see statement here was a bit personal no to ka statere auga bobo auga thirikari ya Jubilee ne kujukia miunda you see untobora na
ndi tuwe aru ati meambora atire kawire ati Uhuru Meru na rentere cheke Embu akia na title deed na oriento bareke kwende miunda na we miambo ira renterira cia Kajiado nika aru ati nika athire amasai bareke kwende miunda yo ira ni communal land bareke omendia na
but you see tu ugete kwa nura siasa tu akagarura statement yewe initially yari miunda ira yari community land ne garuri gutuika government land kenda baiya. You see, it is not the same thing na kuga bukendia ni miunda yenu. Those are two different issues.
But bwana Kaimenyi tukiaria mane ati Kenya ni kwithire tukuna kunjira kukuingi sana from both sides kuma kire Jubilee kuma kire NASA na well no mbuye gute much of it kana gute much action ira yukiri wantu aba kunjira
mono
kuna committee ya bakure wa muchara no ntu bangu ezi and they are doing nothing.
But you Martin positions hichi jonto NCIC ewe ba orekaparo those are ceremonial
then nito tutu ina bobi chini nito tuba kura musara.
Then you see our constitution yetu kere a bit I don't know whether it is our law that is a bit weak kana ne antu baraba karaia sheria be too weak that ba orekaparo ba and what have you kwa tu ko statement ye raire itu kuona you see kwa suspecting that ukwaria hate speech it doesn't mean that you are truly guilty. Papa tere kuda dai pamojokiretie atua andika statement aigwa kotini koti yongwe gategere thronto bobu hate speech kana te hate speech but kuda iro ronde mandu jakara gwo tukero ngania na guchochea lakini there is nothing that is done. We are not serious.
Okay. Eta nambere utegeri kwa raria watu kirukira 40321 namba yetu ya SMS na kule mtu mmoja please Martin stop putting guns in Munya's mouth. Why insist so much on him being in NASA? He hasn't said it himself, of course. Lakini nitira wa Munya no NASA. Wengine wanambira Kaimenyi ni wewe Kaimenyi wewe ni wewe we want change and wewe utaleta to change team tena kwa youth ni mtuiri wa boda kuma Eastern I think. Ita nambera kwa randa batu kirukira 40321. So tichokera siasa na cia Meru ringi. The other day ni kwa rina maandamano ntere cia maua na kintu kirapa amenera cia ni miario ya governor Munya ira wire ati are ntere cia mai ithatu. Apparently awire ati kana allegedly awire ati barabara cia ire ya contract kiri mubungi omwe antereu coincidentally rocho etikia senator ati ni bati kurekana na choka ni tibati wakwa ana ni bati kuromo wakwa. Was that a good statement? Ntagwete the actual ones but after ndiko thingata story in the media according to kinyani ngwa kethro in the incapacity ya Munya that is what I would have said. Nonto Munya arara ku defend antoba Meru Meru wonde arari Munya thuri ari governor wa Meru Martin twinde tuije sheria ne kuga otomba kuthura we patron wa certain project at the same time no gwa execute project area MP no patron ya CDF therefore CDF itomba kumwa wewe ngwa tenda kuthura mwete tenda it is even against the law itself kinyanga na Munya kuthura ari governor wa Meru thirikari Meru itibatere kumwa tenda directly kwatuika kwe kampuni fulani the greatest shareholder itoba kwa watende thirikari barabara wiro kwa ni Kenha
but there is a statement that ntije kethrane o makama ekuga ati that same member of parliament is the greatest shareholder wa kampuni ile kwa barabara na ki interview ira radio koro ya subordinate chairman wa youth band Jubilee na araugire bubu auga mtu uria aheitenda rofuri na auga ukambuni newe lakini aheitenda what rofuri isheria iri kuyu bathingatite whereas sheria Kenya yongwa it is very categorical utumba kwewa tenda in a position where you are the patron of that same group kwa tenda. It is not possible.
So mana Kaimenyi umba kureti ate uritingwe bwa county Meru.
At some occasions take a exemplary good but in others kuna mandu jamwe thirikari ya Meru egerete muno na kwina jangi kulingana na uni totofiria na uni nkiarira thirikari ya Meru nitegerera thirikari ya Meru both in two sides, both in executive na kinya kiri assembly. Assembly ni firite at some occasions but still ethithia mantu jamwe in the best way possible. Na kinya kiri executive ibafirite somewhere na kwijange bathithite bwega.
The other day Nithi ari na mbunge wa Embu West Kaimenyi MCA wa Embu West na atwirira ati Daniel Kiogora na kuri report ya ritete alia akiwa ati kuri sibitari yoyo kero enteriu na mwakatha hibu sibitari uwe tena ndawa know that nara umite actually hapo
nara mpumite hapo ku chest ntiko menya hii sibitari ri kwi arairi in particular
Kidhongo I think
Kidhongo hospital. I'm not aware kethira tena ndawa but ikeja kuthura tena ndawa wewe ngwa nwe mtu mbere urabatere ku put that in government into check nontu we chairman wa PAC Public Accounts and Investment Committee na ngugi nene muno ya kuria thirikari ukiuria niketumi gutena ndawa cibitari whereas buga ibambanje terete ndawa eu buga kwena I think kwa tuika ibambanje terete ndawa kiri budget na ibaije mbeca cia ndawa cirio na batere kuthwa kiura niketumi gutena ndawa na number 2 Martin sometimes kuri thina imwe tumbure maira antu banene citi ciao for example kajuki President Uhuru Kenyatta ntego expect Uhuru Kenyatta ethroije state ya WeruTV right now as we are talking mando yaja kuendelea studio WeruTV atumba kuthroije but there are those representatives ba thirikari ben down na ajuju turi kwena MP kwena provincial administration pe monka nthikuru they should be able kuthwa bagi state ura gukarakari na nthikuru kiri thirikari ya county kuja kuthura ndawa cite cibitari feri eu oni ndemi associate na ntobairi one the area member wa MCA wa that ward mtobairi ni ward administrator wa ward eu nonto ngavana guturongo expecting governor ethroije state ya monka kinya yani ara ntore ne kapisa nonto teka kwere umete kantora kauka muicho burwau lakini ward administrator MCA paumete ntorene iria na kinya bongwa bena link ciao cia kuma ntorene ibo batero kuthwa bakimenya cibitari fulani tena ndawa baka question na bageta through the right processes kenda body review ibo batero kuthwa bakimenya itwakira class case ndi mari na buga tena mwalimu what is happening buga itwakira class case ndi kena ritwa na buga class ingi what is happening you see mantoja mwana jamwe the problem that we having in Kenya right now katukwenda muno kwaria through the media nkuruki ya put action in kile manto yetu
but then tukiariria manto we are about to if you asked me no nkwere kana no mpue anyway ati I think Daniel Kiogora nwe greatest rival wa Munya na most likely akethura nawe tete mantu kana akethura na thiatirite mantu maybe ni rival rere ate ko maybe
na kwa tu kaliuga mantu yo nto rivalry then that statement is not in light order nonto when rivalry it doesn't mean igitare on the okero gikriticize na batere kumara rimwe akathingata the right procedures nonto gwatuike kuria cibitari tina ndawe gwaku kwa mbere nuje you see kwina rira wa problem wetweka unique kia certain area buka no kwithwe crisis endawa orova in Meru gwatuika crisis iwe endawa Meru kuthere patiki onto bunge beta babu debate bone ora bone emendera bakareta nonto bunge ina power tia kwalivia nteto una baleta remende pa president executive kuthwa ndawa chiri ariku chiri cibitari lakini watu ikote thingatite sheria uthingata procedures irio batere gutumira kenda wona ndawa chiriku ndikuona gitumi gyotinda kwira public gutina ndawa
kinja gavana kwitweka ati niwe executive wa county na bati kwithwa akithiatila na bati kwithwa kinya wake akieta cia report
it is true
kana na bati kwithwa akibrief wa maybe on daily basis kana on weekly basis ya kwithwa ati cibitari na ikari atia kana mantu era yonthe aromerete akari atia no kwina ministers kwina ward administrators baraki nyante kumya kithi babati kwithwa bareo kwina antu babonde na ne babati kwithwa we brief so maybe it doesn't take seriously brief sira
na ntije kethana mbirifa wa kana ate mbirifa wa but no ethirwa mbirifa wa bataka mbirifa orongo nuntu kuri muntu ale wake ku defend ngugewe kwa raia nteto ira chi positive wake kuri muntu inyogeta kumuria ra thineri agakwira ake positive ate karoko ni kwina thina ini we so no ethirwe governor wa lakini akera wa nteto chionde nibu kwa tuko una kwirwa chibitari na ndawa chibitari na daktari bakongana ina nurses bakongana you see kethra na kwa tuko wantu baraba in that area bagwetikiria nteto ni karibu ega ati for up muno but indira tegeto aja ki WeruTV de braleta and deliveries cha county government nkona in some areas imwira ndaiga wachikirwa thirikari county gutuwithitie nkona project several project tikiarirwe in that area na nkarigwa what is happening na kinyago statement ingi ndiraigitwe antu bakiaria ati chibitari ya mbiritu community yachoka ya ruguru county government. I'm not sure whether it is the same MCA arete mandu jau kana ko mtungira lakini ndiraigitwe something of that kind. Ndarigwa atiri an example ku chibitari ingi nara gwetu etwa Marathi dispensary. Marathi dispensary ya mbiritwe inira cheta municipal council ira chare na councillor the then councillor weto Charles Murithi no ambirite chibitari yu ako meambiria ya kinya neremera tukuringa kura ya choka riu yejukirwe community county government yekuya ya put some input then barugura chibitari ndaigwa muntu oria atiri is it correct kuthwa chibitari yu iruguritwe in governor na toyakite ndarigwa inunge abatere kurugura taiji eldinere devolved it's a devolved function chibitari ria kwa tuikane community akirikirie gwakwa ikanenganirwo ge county kende wa daktari kende maintain i county kende facilitatwa bukanengera county atea kwa tuikete rugura chibitari igituika yao you see kinyage thitu kumiaka iri project ya community who is community
it's
me and you na the government is still there for this community na thirikari iria gisheria chibitari iji chikanenganirwo kibo so gutima kosa jario kwatuika ba kuleta inya kwatuika irangi yake ireja yakwa yonka rangi is an input
but then okuweta mantu akurugura na you see well kuringana na woni I find it near kaitha right sometimes you waste resources na waste time rira kutuika ati governor akakamatana na delegation inda jana wita kurura maybe kedora ni hospitali dispensary betete kurura kana maybe ni check betete konenkanira I find it kana kuringana na woni ninkuona yake kuongela goro kinyankuruki
but is it realistic that the president Kenyatta nejete kurugura barabara iji chetu na akamata
no it is not.
It is not.
Yes.
If it is not realistic for the national government to do that, then it is also not realistic for the county government to do that.
Well, unless na ngombera maybe akedra itirite onto bungi na rala lakini kokyo twika ati ajede weni ya kunenkandira becha maybe no atobekinye mtu no atobekinye Kaimenyi okay ka tanenkandira cheke ye milioni 5
yes no atomane but governor no chief officer wa county no munene group then ya county na kwa tuika area you see the area ali munene wetu twinde to represent twinde so it is correct kuthura wenu agaike cheki you see at some cases itonete kinya project imo chikirugurwa ICCs for example kwiringi ndironete mirimo itiatete kurugura project ya Ruje which is correct. Titeka ku project chionde ateuga project ira ndona categorically governor wewe ngwa gwita kurugura icha chibitari. Na for which wewe ngwa na gwita state abu bwa kwenda ku make sure that everyone in at least 8 dispensaries. Na kulingana na uni inkono ntobugu sawa sawa nunturi kwa tuko uga go for up project ejo nuntu nakwenda ku main defend mono kutima kosa jareo ojora president yejete no kurugura barabara nuntu no ei project ye wakwenda ku
president yete kurugura
flyover yes nuntu no project yao and you see akareka gwita kurugura antu batona seriousness ya project ye kuri kirewe
okay kurumo kwa Kaimenyi okugwatanira nagwe ati munya atarungama auga ni wanasa Kaimenyi tuko pamoja ni kadhambi igitembene ngino kwa morning Martin na Kaimenyi arresting Raila this time would be the biggest mistake. It will create more acrimony at his benefit and possibly suffering of some Kenyans. Next show invite with Kaimenyi Daniel Kiogora and Kinoti MCA wa Abu West and they wait abure amu.
I'm ready. Neje kwanza twaririe development ya both ku West. Nuntu according to me teka gutiwa thithietie na thithietie na gerete muno akika kuona I can do better than what he has done. Na kulingana na duties and responsibilities chia member wa county assembly ngugiri aritete kulingana na ngugiri batu twamutumite kurita ndethro anditete 75% greater than what he has done.
But then bwana Kaimenyi nukumnya gwe account ya member of county assembly kana MCA gwewe ni ku make laws actually
ne jaju ambe atwire atiri iro singana thithite kuma gwita kwa county ira chitethetie mwananchi wa bothu ku West directly ne jaju atwire atiri kinye iri undefended chia bangi chite chiawe how far have they gone kutetheria mwananchi wetu wa bothu ku West kirithina ira turenacho ntikuga nan I've seen the first only mwanyaji wakwa muno na siasa bangi bonde I give credit where it's due nageretie muno nageretie but kulingana na inye wale rakinya atututithiritie exemplary good ura turingienda na kinyani ngwanda anenkerwa kanya teka nkuga nkomba ku deliver everything absolutely everything tiga gutethia na ntubene oburu utim twakaromba bu lakini nkathithia greater chama nene na kuikia sheria injega na inthongi na inyingi cha kumake sure mwananchi wetu wa bothu ku West agutetheka thiniria turi nacio especially thina cha barabara nuntu icio nene kabisa na Martin linkwarithia thina cha barabara nuntu wetu abothu ku West we are paradise to turi nyunda yetu paradise into yetu paradise but nuntu bwa thina cha barabara project ingi chionde cha bothu ku West titekaraje ka chirio into bira bothu ku West irita itekaraje ka kuri gintu jakiu tutomba kuria rais au fawi au machu ya present nuntu barabara chetu ni ndoku
kana maybe you know katiba nenjaro na no mbuya ati ni percentage kai sana mwakadhai GC roles ya national government GC roles ya county government GC roles ya MP ya MCA you know na maybe no twethro tukumenya kithura ni barabara uno twethro tukumenya ni iriku ya ibati kwethro kithethro ni MCA ne baki ni bati ni iriku ibati kwethro ni MP you know
but arafu oni matingi tukambira kirampe siasa betu bebera kabisa statement yewe gutinda kwera mwananchi every day project ejine county ejine national that person that is on the ground atije barabara ya county atije classified road ni iriku
all they want
ni barabara na kinyani ngwingutikanire na bono ntu mwambere barabara iri nyire tuguta cha national kutiro president Uhuru Kenyatta akeja chitira no woni na mwananchi wetu tugetira cio
so maybe kithora ni MCA na bati kuhakikisha na kumenya barabara ni member of parliament then amu peste
yes na nya kware maburu you see the data no kabisa tekanjira chithuki completely ati chitegwetekere kaburu ichigwetekereka lakini at least chikangirindo bukai na kwina njira nyingi cha kuona njira chithithitwe hinya kwa tweka county na national chikurega gukamini kugutethia antu para betha bakuringirite kura Martin betha bakienda gutetheka if you come up with other methodologies cha kulitanguge at your level for example bautu ba kuri several rounds twetete community twatethaniria kuthithia bukai gwikira maybe tuigara kwina mitaro eminene na barabara kwa twika ngariri rale maira chite kuremero tomantu tu o ugwa twika thirikari kuremwo kabisa of which I don't think the government yomba kuremwo kuthithiria antu bayo njira kwa twika thirikari kuremwo buru inya gwikira maram barabarene a community itself yomba kuthithia mantu jau in guidance na the community yake kwenye finances bangi bomba kuthwa beta yali kuitaniria kugena community.
Asante sana bwana Kaimenyi ndiro thacia tu ikutira na well nanko second 30 wemembe kwe muthia.
Okay, kanjukia kanyaka bambere gucokeria nkatho na gucokeria WeruTV nkatho nuntu bwa kumbita ntukwena aru kwariria siasa cha Meru na njoke njukia kanyaka kwira akariba bothu ku West oninde kunandi imbijete kulinga siasa chene heshima na mbere ya youth wensangu tukairiwe ni itukare ni nthiguru gutegera siasa yoyongwa directly na especially ndena tutegera point chichiongwa titwira wake tukathithirwa barabara itwira ura kukathithwa kenda barabara chithithwa titwira tukachwirwa youth ngugi itwira kukathithwa kenda youth bachwirwa ngugi.
Thank you, asante mutegeri wa WeruTV ni bwega sana tuba kwithira gwatanite na atukire mubango jwa kugukia